Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you to add a credit or debit card inside your Temu app. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just get straight into it. Alright guys, open up your Temu app on your mobile device. This works for both iOS and Android device users. Once you're here, go down and click on the U button and then make sure you're logged in as well. And then once you're inside here, you want to click on the little gear icon, top right hand corner of this page. And then you'll find your payment methods. So what you need to do is click into that. This will take you to the payment methods. And then save cards for a faster checkout, secure payments, convenient payments. So what you need to do is click on the orange credit or debit card. And now add in your 16-digit credit or debit card with the expiration date and the CVV number. And now once you've done that, click on add your card, and then that will go ahead and add your debit or credit card to your Temu app. So that's it for this quick tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.